Hi, today we are going to have a look at how we can utilize the great feature of Google Classroom, the to-do list. So first of all, open up Google Classroom in your browser, and then you can see a side navigation bar on the top right left corner of your screen. If you click on that, there will be a little tab called to do. If you click on that, you will be redirected to this page, and as you can see now, it by default it will show all the tasks you have to do, which means all the tasks you are missing from all of your classes in there. And also you can select a particular class by clicking on this little arrow, and when you click on that, it will show you all the classes that you are enrolled in. And if you click on a particular class, then it will show you what task you are missing. And also, if you want to have a look at the tasks you have completed, click on this done tab. When you click on that, it will show all the tasks that you have completed. You can select either a particular class or all classes. Thank you very much.